everyone, welcome to the video today. This is going to be a pretty quick one because I don't have a lot of time. But yet in yesterday's video I actually mentioned something and I've gotten a couple questions about it, so I thought I'd just really quickly come on here and show you a little bit more about what I was talking about. What I mentioned was the ClickFunnels One Funnel Away challenge, and I had said that I had just actually gone through it and had done all 30 days, and that I really recommended it to people who are wanting to launch your first funnel, don't really know where to start, or maybe you've been launching funnels but you're just having trouble with them converting. This is an incredible program for you to do. It's like I said, it's a 30-day challenge, and you're going to be walked through step by step, kind of like you're going to have the experts right there with you. They're showing you exactly what to do each day, and it is absolutely so powerful and just such a bank of knowledge that you're going to come away with. So this is it right here. I just wanted to give you a little insight into it. Obviously, I'm not going to show you everything in it, but I'm just going to show you. This is inside of my One Funnel Away challenge that like I said, I just finished it. So here you've got the mission training, which you're going to be going through week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. And this is all of them right here, okay? Here it goes all the way down. It's just every day you're going to get a new one. So let me just show you what you're going to be seeing. So you're going to have a video from Russell. This is the worksheet you can download. Julie also gets on there with you to kind of walk through some of the actual steps, especially towards the week 3 and 4 when you're actually building the funnels. And then, of course, you got Steven, who has, just to warn you, he's got incredible energy, but he's also super great. Okay, a couple of Q&As on some of them, but this is basically what you're going to have. Russell, sometimes Julie, and then a Steven's coaching call. Okay? And that's through all of these. Let's look at all these missions right here. And then you're also going to get 30 days. This is a bonus. If you suddenly lost everything, what would you do for the next 30 days to save yourself? Okay, this is actually a book. If you get the, there's 2 ways to get this program. You can do digitally only, or you can get the physical product. So you're going to get the 30 days book, which is awesome. But it's also right here. These are the interviews. I like the physical product. That's what I ended up getting. And you're also going to get the physical workbook. It comes in a big box. If you want to just go digitally, you can do that as well. If you get physical products mailed to you, then you're going to, first of all, you're not going to have to print them off, so you're not going to have to print off this worksheet. And also, you're going to just pay for shipping. That's it. And that's not a whole lot of money. So I just personally like to hold books in my hands. I know we all are in the digital age now, but personally, I just like to read a book sometimes, so I opted to get the book. But either way, you still get the digital products, by the way. So I can still download the PDFs, that kind of thing. I've got both of them, basically. So let me show you here. We've got Steven's interview, and also you can download his 30-day plan. This is in the book, of course. But if you get the digital only, you just download it there. And you have all of these people. They're going to show you if they were to lose everything and had to start over from scratch, what would they do day 1? What would they do day 2, day 3? They're going to show you exactly what they would do to save themselves, okay? Very valuable information. It's awesome. You're also going to get traffic secrets. This is the access to that, and the affiliate bootcamp summit. So you have access to that as well. So that's it in a nutshell. One funnel away, 30 days. If you want to just kind of walk side by side with people who have already done it, not only that, you're going to have the community who's also going through the challenge with you. Okay, so you're going to have a Facebook group that you can get involved with. They also have a lot of helpful information if you get stuck or you have a question, or you just want to get some motivation and encouragement. The Facebook group is great for that. So you're going to get that as well. So that's all I wanted to show you, kind of what I was talking about yesterday. If you didn't see yesterday's video, then you don't know what I'm talking about. But This is just a way to build sales funnels like the one I showed you yesterday. And it's just something that I think everyone should go through at least once. I personally found it super valuable, but like I said, if you're interested in building funnels and getting sales and conversions, this is the challenge you want to be involved with. They are set for certain dates, and I believe the one coming up, I thought I saw it on here. Okay, registration ends September 29th, so yeah, it would be coming up pretty soon. So it must be starting next Monday, depending on when you're watching this video. They're going to start every like, it comes around maybe every 2 weeks, something like that. So, you know, you're going to want to get in on it. So I will leave a link to that in the description. I'm sorry this is a bit of a shorter video, but like I said, I've got to get going. I have several appointments today. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe. And I hope that you take the challenge, and I hope that you see a whole bunch of success. If you do, go ahead and leave me a comment if you've taken the challenge or if you plan to, and I will be rooting for you the entire time. All right, that's it for today's video, and I will see you next time.